Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Vscode installed. Now start by opening the Extensions view. Use Ctrl+Shift+X or choose View then Extensions to jump straight in. Make sure you're on the stable release because extension compatibility varies by version. If you plan to sync later, sign in now so settings and licenses carry over. Once done, you'll see Featured, Recommended, and Installed lists. This is where you begin searching, comparing, and deciding which extensions to add. You'll search for extensions by name or function, type keywords, and review results. Inspect ratings, download count, last updated date, and read the changelog to understand risk and features. Click an entry to view README and activation events. This explains how and when the extension runs. When you hit Install, watch the status and choose Install in Container if working with dev containers. After installation, click Enable or Reload if prompted, so the extension You must configure the extension to match your workflow. Click the gear icon and set user versus workspace scope depending on whether others need the settings. If behavior is odd, disable or uninstall recent extensions to isolate conflicts, and use Developer, toggle Developer Tools to view console errors. If activation fails, restart Vscode or reload the extension host. This fixes most issues. Finally, make sure your workspace trusts the folder, because untrusted workspaces block some extension capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.